Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with G. Gareth here. We're going to create a pillow today using these heart placemats. Now you get 2 placemats and 2 coasters from Poundland for £1. So we're going to be using the placemats. This is a Poundland cushion and I've been using the inner out of it, but Poundland are now selling the polyester filler in a bag. Obviously, I mean it's £1. But I really don't think you get as much in the bag as you would if you just bought a pillow, a cheap pillow from Poundland. I could be wrong, but it just doesn't seem to be the same amount. So I'm just going to take this out of its packaging. I have my hot glue going to the side. It's a really simple one. I mean, this is nothing new. People have been doing these for a long time. I just wanted to create a cushion using these felt placemats. So I'm just going to put some glue, some hot glue. My glue is really funny this time round, just to secure the edge. Obviously I'm not going to go around the whole edge because I need to put the filler in. So the good thing about this particular I nearly called it velvet. It's not velvet. This felt is actually quite thick, so you're not really going to damage yourself by pushing down on it. But please, I mean it's hot glue and it's felt, so please take care. You can feel the heat through it. Okay, so I have an opening, and in that opening I am going to put in this poly filler, not poly filler. This poly fibrous material, and this is what obviously you have in cushions and things, and I'm just going to use a paintbrush to push it into the corners. Making sure that there is enough. And then going back to this seam here, I'm going to put more hot glue. And we are going to seal our cushion. Glue strings, the bane of any crafter's life. And they don't make huge cushions, but I think they look really nice on a dining room chair, or just even on the sofa as a little accent to the season, little nod to the season. Get rid of any hot glue that seeps out. Really trying to keep my worktop as clean as possible, so I don't want any hot glue on there. Okay, so there we go. So there's one, and here's another one I did earlier, so to speak. So you can get quite a bit of fluff in there, but I think they look really cute, and they'll just look really cute as kind of accents on my sofa. So thank you very much for joining me today with this very super quick craft. And the coasters I'm simply going to use as decorations. I have a tree, a very small tree up in my bedroom, and I'm decorating that per season and per holiday, because obviously as I have a Christmas channel, Create at Home with Elf Creations, it gives me something to display the Christmas things that I make, so I can take photos of them. So I'm leaving that up all year. So I've currently got red and white roses on it, but these will just sit in the tree and they'll become festive Valentine ornaments. So as I say, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.